Right, babe, what are we doing today?
Oh yeah, what's going on, guys? So it is day 3. It's a little bit later. It's 9 o'clock. Most people have already boarded off. We got here at 7. It's Haiti, by the way. Day 3 is Haiti. So we got here at 7, and people got off at 7:30. We woke up a little bit later just because we were in Haiti before, and we currently don't have any excursions planned. Our plan right now is we're gonna go grab some breakfast. It's 9 o'clock. So like I said, most people are already off the boat. Gonna go grab some breakfast. Then we're gonna head out. Then gonna do some shopping. Because all the shopping's in this little area anyway. So we're gonna do our shopping. Then we'll probably spend some time at the beach. Get in the water a little bit. And then we'll have some lunch. Which they have it about 11. So we may have lunch and then the beach. We'll figure it out. You guys will see. But we have to get back by 3:30. Since we don't have an excursion plan and we just have shopping at the beach. It's not gonna take us, you know, however long. So yeah, that's what we got right now. Any last minute?
Yeah, we're just gonna go get breakfast and fill up his Hydrojug. We're gonna ask the guy at the gym to fill it up for us.
Yeah, make sure y'all stay hydrated.
Yeah, because there's really nowhere to like actually fill up your water bottle, and they tell you not to fill it up in the buffet. So you should probably ask the gym person or figure out some way to get some good water. That usually works though at the gym. So see you guys at breakfast. Oh, we did get to fill our jug at the gym, so just do that. The bar should be able to do it too, is just to fill it with water. And she got a parfait.
Yum.
And it's free. The only thing you have to pay for from there is the smoothies. Hi guys, we're here. Show you Haiti really quick. Yeah, you get off and you're like right there. And then you walk around. Over there is where everybody swims. The zip line's all the way on top of that hill. Yeah. The water is nice and blue.
Excuse me?
Did any of you leave your phone?
No.
No?
No.
You can turn it into the pool deck.
Okay.
Oh, it's not even a, it's like a case.
Oh, it's a case.
Is it theirs?
Oh, it's a case apparently.
Oh.
It's a, yeah, it's just a
What
case.
the heck? It's just a case.
See, there's like nobody on the ship right now. This is perfect if you have no excursions planned. And look, the swimming pool's wide open. So it's really good if you have no excursions planned and you really don't want to be around a lot of people. Then just stay on the ship if you've been to Haiti before. You can stay on the ship or just get off a little later, so that way it's easy going to the buffet. You don't have to wait for a seat or anything. Eat and get off super quick. So that's my advice to y'all, unless you have an excursion you need to get to. So yeah,
It's beautiful up there.
yeah, it is. It's a little warm, so you know.
Los huéspedes, le rogamos abandonar la mesa al término de su comida para que otros huéspedes también tengan la oportunidad de
They look a
disfrutar
little
de
better,
nuestra
but
maravillosa
yeah.
experiencia en el Windjammer. Gracias por su cooperación y comprensión.
As you guys can see, it's primarily the same things as the other day, just some things will be different, but majority of it is the same. But I will still show you. Get my plate. Got a fruit smoothie. Fish. Some eggs.
I think we'll do just a little bit of
Let's get some more corned beef hash because we can.
Oh my God, that'll be awesome. Look at that plate. Ooh, doesn't that look good?
Sausage. Let's see what else we've got over here. I don't want any of that. I think that's an omelet station or something. Let's go get the stuff we got yesterday. A spinach omelet. Some hash browns. Pretty much the same thing, you know. Let's go with the hash brown. Maybe some bacon. It's a giant plate of bacon. And again, there are things like pancakes and waffles and French toast. I'm going to show you right now. There's fruit, there's jelly, there's even things that I don't really think is breakfast, like the fried rice and the beans. We're going to go back to the seat. They do have fruit, coffee, juice, water, everything you could need. Oh, hey, this one's healthy. Yeah.
Can I get some coffee? Oh, you still could eat it.
Alright guys, so I got some corned beef hash, eggs Benedict. I think that was like the omelet with spinach. I think it was like a Spanish omelet or something like that. Or that was what was labeled. Got some fried rice and got some baked beans. Just goes to show that not every place eats the same meal. Oh, I did some coffee and then apple juice. Alright guys, so we are heading off. We're heading to the gangway. We learned last time you cannot record on your way out, so I'm doing it here, but we're about to get into Haiti. Didn't you have some towels right here?
Yeah, I brought the lobster one for us, but yeah, if you need a towel, there should be like a... Oh, we have to walk this way. Oh, we just got splashed by a wave, just splashed us on the deck out here. Yeah, totally didn't see that one coming. Then all of a sudden there was water all over this little bridge. So yeah, beware of that. Yeah, I was like, whoa, whoa. I was just glad it wasn't big. I was trying to
Yeah, right. Get your hook
swing over there, you know. Oh yeah, that's why I took the pictures with the butterflies. Yeah. Yeah, over there.
I'll head over there.
Right to the right. Once we get around this little corner. That's where the sign is and the little butterflies. then there's butterflies over there too.
I want to take picture by that.
Yeah, see these ones? Yeah, this is the one in my profile picture.
Yeah, I was going to say, I was going to this the one.
Yeah. And then the Labadee sign, and there's our boat. Alright guys, we are back in Haiti about 8 months later. Here we are. But this time we are not ziplining, so you get to see a different side, I guess, of us just chilling around the island. Oh, there's the coconut. Do you want that now or later? The coconut drink? Later, okay.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Oh, they're dancing. Yeah, so that's like where I think one of the buffets will be, and then there's another one.
What are those?
The buffet. Oh, see, they got the pineapple.
Guys, so we got some stuff. We got like a magnet and then 2 little posty things that my wife wanted, and we also got this big thing. We just got to get a canvas for it. It's really nice. It has like some bungalow pictures. It says Haiti, but I'm gonna tell you, man, these Haitian people, they know how to hustle. Like, they working. Like, they'll be like, oh, come here, my friend, check this out, and you know, as you're completing a purchase, they're trying to sell you something else. These guys hustlers. I give it to them, man. Alright guys, so we're at the beach now, just chilling. Finished getting some of our stuff. Just gonna chill at the beach real quick for a little bit and then probably go eat and probably head back to the ship in a bit. We've got these little chair things, which from what the lady said and from last time,
Yeah, they're free.
They're free, but no, just give a little tip for setting up for you. You know what I mean? Oh yeah, so we're gonna head over there and take some pictures. So I'll record. It's like swings on the water or something like that. I'll record when we get over there. Yep, so it looks like Labadee Reef Ball project. Got a little swing thing. We got a little like floating bar over there. That's pretty cool. Thing over here. That's pretty neat.
like, this is what Maria got to eat. We haven't gone to the buffet yet, so she has some beans, some chicken, a salad, hamburger, some cantaloupe, some potato salad. I think that's it. You know, an apple and some stuff. We haven't gone to the buffet yet. We're not too hungry. We'll probably go after, but since it's a little more hectic out here, I probably won't record with the GoPro all the food, just because trying to hold your plate, trying to record with the GoPro, and there's so many people in line, and you know, they kind of get a little pushy and whatever, so I'm not gonna record that, but I'll show you what we picked to eat and the dessert and stuff. So we'll get you some things. Just, yeah, my husband's in the water right now and I'm just chilling here in the chair. Kind of tired, so hot. It was like this in January, except it's a little more windy now, so that's actually kind of good because the wind helps cool you down, but it's very hot. So this is what I got. I got a cheeseburger with no bun, potato salad, roasted chicken, 3-bean corn salad. I have no idea what any of these are because the signs were all wrong. So this looks like some kind of marble pound cake, and this smells like a carrot cake, but I honestly don't know. That's what my husband got. And he's going to get us drinks right now, just a soda. And then we're probably gonna head back on the ship in a little bit, so. All right, guys, we're actually going to head back now. It is about 1 o'clock, I think a little after 1. We're gonna head back towards the ship so Maria can take pictures with the Labadee sign, the ship, and the butterflies, or whatever other photos she wants, just like we did in January. Then we'll be getting back on the ship. It'll be much easier because everybody will still be out here on the island. And then we can take a shower, change, and just kind of chill around the ship until we find something to do. I know we have Mamma Mia at 5 o'clock today, and then we have the Love and Marriage game show at about 10 o'clock today. So we'll let you guys know how those go as well. Probably gonna get some soft serve ice cream once we get back to. How's it been?
Good time.
Really hot, yeah.
Chilled.
Yeah, I'll show you guys what we bought once we get back in the room, because I don't want to take it all out right now, so I'll show you that then. All right, you guys, they're over there taking a picture of Maria with the Labadee sign and the ship in the background. It's a very nice place to take a photo. Seeing the ship in the background is just beautiful. We did that with Harmony of the Seas. You can see those photos on our YouTube channel. Just look at our Harmony of the Seas cruise vlog and you will see those. And you can compare these ships because Harmony is much bigger than this ship. Like, it's considerably bigger. I'm just chilling here because it's so hot. Like, it's getting to the point where it's miserable to be out here. That's the only thing I think that sucks about Haiti, is it's extremely hot and humid. But luckily there's not much to see, so if you're just going to explore, like, honestly you could do that in an hour or less. Like, there's really not much to see out here. So there they are. It's Maria's turn, luckily, and we're just gonna head back onto the ship because we're done. Well, we have to go through security right here first, but it's literally just a small little like metal detector thing, and that's really it. So yeah, there we go, ready to go back. All right, guys, we're back on the ship. It only took probably about 5 minutes to get through security, and on the ship, so that was good. Once we get in our room, I'll show you all the things that we bought. It's really not much. I bought another one of these, and we bought some more paintings that we really liked from a guy named Frandy. So if you're ever in Haiti, just go straight to Frandy's store. He's like the third one in, and he was in the same spot as he was in January, so he's probably always in that spot. Here is our room, and we're going in. We're going to take a shower and stuff. Go get some ice cream. Oh yeah. Here we got some things in here. Oh, they're talking about guests who are still missing luggage. The watch seminar. Talking about the Philip Stein and Heuer, Rolex. All these things. We won't be attending that probably, so. See, you should have done like that. Flexing. Do you want to show them what we got?
Yeah. I apologize, guys. I'm hurting from the sun. Make sure y'all stay hydrated.
Yeah, that sun is draining, guys. Told you. After about 2 hours, it gets to the point where it's miserable. It's not fun anymore. So, a lot of people out there were so burnt, and they probably didn't even know it. It is not good. Oh, here you go. Here's some of the paintings we got. This one is from Frandy. I'm not sure how well it's gonna look in the light we have here. It's kind of yellowish, but his paintings are really nice. I really like them. We already have one at home. This is a magnet I'm going to send to my grandpa Jerry. I really like the green color of it. We picked out this blue one, and then he gave us this one for free. Well, we were able to pick it, and I liked how the dude was just chilling in the boat, so I picked that one. Oh, this is just goes, it holds this together. See, like this is just another one, because I have two more sarongs at home, and they don't have this, which I know I can interchange them. Like, I can take this one off and put on another one, but it's just easier to have more. So I bought this little wrap as well. I really liked the colors. It's very simple, and it's just like this one. And I'm gonna be bringing this with me to Tahiti. I might wear it tonight for Caribbean night. So we will see. I know last Caribbean night I did wear this one. And then this is a big painting we got that we will show you guys. Don't be afraid of buying big paintings, because they come like this on canvas like paper, and then you roll it up. When you get home, you put it on a canvas. The edges you just fold over the back of the canvas, just staple it to the canvas, and then now you have your very nice painting up there. The guy tied it so that way it wouldn't come apart. But we'll open it up and show you. Also, in Haiti is a good place to negotiate or barter, if you will. He originally wanted $80 for this painting. We didn't have $80. We weren't lying. We legit did not have $80 because we only brought 100 with us, and we had spent some already. So we did not have $80. So we got this for $40. Very nice little beach bungalows. It has his name and that he is from Haiti. And I really like it. It's gonna go in my meditation room, so I can relax looking at this, wishing I was there. So. And I believe that's it. Yeah. Yeah, and then tomorrow in Jamaica, the only things I really plan to get there is the color changing t-shirts. One for my niece and one for, I guess Dakota would be considered my nephew, because he's my, could be sister-in-law if it's not your sister. Well, I don't know.
My sister would be your sister.
So I know that, but like, okay, so it's my stepmom's daughter. So sister by marriage, I guess we'll just say that. It's my sister by marriage, it's her kid. So technically, if she was related to me, that would be my nephew. But whatever. So Dakota, I'm gonna get him a color changing t-shirt. And Lily, my niece, she's 3. I'm gonna get her a color changing t-shirt. I think other than food in Jamaica, that's probably all we're going to get there. Just because we went there in January and, you know, I mean, we didn't leave the port really for shopping. So this time we'll be in Montego Bay. So if we do find other things in Montego Bay that we like, then we'll buy it, you know. But I don't really see us buying like a whole lot of stuff. So but yeah, so that's what we got. We're gonna hit up Maria, see if she wants to get ice cream and then shower, or if she wants to shower and then go get ice cream. So we'll see.
What's going on, guys? So we took a little 30-minute nap, but we were just watching TV for a little bit when we got back. We were a little tired, so we got some soft serve, and then we came back to the room, showered, and then just laid down for about 30 minutes, watched the TV, and then we got ready. So now we're gonna head to probably like the Park Cafe or somewhere, grab something small, because our show, the Mamma Mia, is gonna be about 2.5 hours. So I'm gonna get something light to kind of hold us for that show. All right, guys, we're heading to the Park Cafe. See what they got there. Yeah. Alright, guys, we just finished Mamma Mia. I personally like the show a lot. Really good. The wife says really good. A lot of drama going on, a lot of music. It was a great show. I loved it. I recommend it if you have it on your ship. What do you think, Maria?
Definitely worth it.
Well, there you go. Definitely worth it.
They didn't answer the question though.
Oh yeah. They didn't answer the question, which you'll figure it out when you watch the show. If you watch the show. Alright, guys, so we're gonna be doing the American Icon My Time Dining. So this is what the menu's gonna look like. Pretty good selection of food. So we are going to our table. This little setup. Awesome.
I was like, I'm a little bit. Thank you.